Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exit from the Vanish mode. So if you have enabled your Vanish mode in Instagram chat and you are required to turn off this Vanish mode after you are done texting or anything, then to disable the vanish mode or to exit from it, it is actually very simple. Then all you need to do is simply just go back and close that particular Instagram chat you were working on. So for example, I have enabled vanish mode on this chat, and now if I want to disable the vanish mode, all I need to do is simply close this chat. So I can do this either by clicking on this arrow button at the top or just by using the navigations of my mobile device. So if I use the arrow, you can see that I have exited the chat, and now if I try to re-enter it, you can see that the vanish mode is no longer to be seen and it is opening in the normal chat and not in the vanish mode. So that's how easy it is to disable vanish mode or to exit from it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.